How to change GIF speed on Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe across and find Gallery. Next, open up the Gallery app. Then in your picture gallery, tap on the Pictures tab or Albums to look for pictures. And then in here, we're going to find the GIF file. So open up this GIF file right here. And you can see the speed go on this GIF file is, it's okay. If you want to increase or decrease the speed, what you want to do is tap on the edit button. Okay, once you're in edit mode, at the bottom here, this is the speed button. So direction and speed, so you want to tap on that. And from the slider bar here, you can increase the speed to make it faster or slower. You can change the direction of the image, and we can choose backward and forward. Okay, so select a style and then tap on save or share. So I'll select save. Yeah, if I go back. So when you save, it will save a new copy. It will not overwrite your existing copy. And here you can see now the GIF image speed will move a lot faster than the previous file. So this is the previous file. The speed is lower, and now the speed has increased faster by doubling the speed rate. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.